There are several types of solar panels, each designed with different materials and structures to suit various needs and applications. Here are the most common types. 1. Monocrystalline solar panels. Made from a single, continuous crystal structure of silicon. Appearance: darker black with rounded edges. Efficiency: typically, they are the most efficient, up to 22%, and have a longer lifespan compared to other types. Cost: more expensive due to the complex manufacturing process. Best for limited space areas where high efficiency is important, such as residential rooftops. 2. Polycrystalline, multicrystalline solar panels. Made from multiple silicon crystals melted together. Appearance: bluish hue with a square shape and visible crystal fragments. Efficiency: lower than monocrystalline panels, around 15–17%. Cost: more affordable due to a simpler manufacturing process. Best for projects with larger spaces like commercial or industrial installations where cost is a concern. 3. Thin film solar panels. Made from layers of photovoltaic materials like cadmium telluride CDTE, amorphous silicon AC, or copper indium gallium selenide SIGs. Appearance: uniform and flexible with a thin, smooth surface. Efficiency: lower than crystalline panels, around 10–12%, but they can be flexible and lightweight. Cost: generally cheaper and easier to produce, but require more space for the same energy output. Best for applications where flexibility or lightweight materials are important, like portable solar devices or building integrated photovoltaics. 4. Bifacial solar panels. Made from similar to monocrystalline or polycrystalline panels but designed to absorb light from both sides. Appearance: transparent backing allows light to pass through and reflect back onto the backside. Efficiency: higher than standard panels due to additional light absorption. Cost: more expensive than traditional monofacial panels. Best for ground-mounted installations, areas with reflective surfaces like snow, or where there's potential for light to bounce back up to the back side of the panel. 5. Building integrated photovoltaics BIPV. Made from different PV materials integrated directly into building materials like roof tiles, facades, or windows. Appearance: customizable to blend with architectural designs. Efficiency: varies based on the type of PV material used. Cost: higher due to custom design and integration. Best for new constructions or renovations where aesthetics and seamless integration with the building are priorities. Each type of solar panel has specific benefits, depending on factors like space, budget, and desired efficiency. The choice often depends on the specific needs of a project or location.